Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods, and I've got an uptight, out-of-sight project dealing with the principles of design. I call it the center of interest, optical illusion. So materials that you're going to need, you'll need a pencil, you need an ultra-fine Sharpie, you'll need colored pencils or crayons, markers will work as well, and of course, drawing paper. So go scavenge those materials and let's begin. I have my 9x12 white sheet of drawing paper secured to my table. What I'm going to do is put a mark at 6 at the top, 6 at the bottom, match my ruler up and put a mark right at 4.5 in the center. And that's going to be where all the lines converge toward that center point. That's going to be our center of interest. From the center, I'm going to create a spiral that starts off nice, small, and tight, and then just gets a little bit wider as I get closer to the edge of the paper. So here we go. Perfect. Now let's do that again with the second line, and as it goes out toward the edge of the paper, it's going to get a little bit wider as well. Now I have a pretty nice looking spiral. We're going to add an oval, and once we start the oval here, it's going to be nice and small. They're going to be close together. Once they round out here, they're going to get a little bit larger, further apart, and then they're going to be the largest right out here. There. All right, awesome. Now we're going to add what I call legs coming out from the center. So I draw the first line, it goes behind our spiral. Second line does the same thing, go in the same direction, but they're not parallel. It's going to gradually get wider. It comes through. There's one. I like to put at least 5. 2 right here. Go through. There's 3. So think about balancing your picture out. And then these legs that we're putting in have a slight curve. This goes right through. Four. Here's my last one. So I have 5 of them, starting with my original leg. I'm going to divide it in half. I'm going to do the same thing with each one after that. Now I'm going to add a few more lines. Now the line that I'm going to add will have a slight curve to it. Now we have some empty sections. We're going to put another geometric shape, and it's just going to be a triangle, and it's going to point toward the center. And you can draw yourself a little guideline here so each point matches up. And they're gradually getting smaller. Now I'm going to outline I'm using an ultrafine Sharpie. Now I'm going to use complementary colors. I've chosen orange and blue, and I have different variations of both hues. I have just a regular orange, it looks like a Spanish orange. I have an ultramarine blue. I have a true blue, and that's going to help out with this project because complementary colors have the strongest contrast. So I'm going to pick different shapes, color them in with my orange, different oranges, and then I'm going to go in with my different colors of blue as well. Now I'm just really going to have fun and try to make it where I'm emphasizing the center and everything's drawing our eyes into the center, and it's going to be this awesome optical illusion when I'm done. Here's my finished center of interest optical illusion. I'm using all of the principles of art and design here. I've got it balanced. I have emphasis. I'm emphasizing the center point. We have movement, eye movement. We're also having a lot of contrast because I used complementary colors, orange and blue. It created a pretty cool looking pattern. So with the movement, you also have rhythm. Make sure you start at the center of the paper. Everything's going to gradually get larger as it goes to the outer edge of the paper. So we're dealing with size, large, medium, and small. It's just an awesome piece. I'm excited to see yours. Hey, my friends, if you thought this center of interest optical illusion was groovy in a far out way, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Let's do it right now. I had a blast incorporating all the principles of design to create this optical illusion. After you create yours, upload it back onto my Facebook page. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.